Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna crochet such beautiful, soft and warm headband. And today we're gonna need any plush yarn you have, a hook number 6, patience and a good mood. And I here have recommendation to use 4.5 hook, but I use bigger one because my crocheting is very tight. First of all, we need to make a slip knot. Cross the thread as you may see and pull it through with hook. We need to tie our slip knot. And the next step, so we are going to make a chain with 11 slip stitches. Our chain is ready, and now we're gonna crochet all single crochet in every loop till the end. And here it's better to count to avoid some mistakes. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And here make slip stitch and turn our crochet. And here we continue from the other side, all single crochets in every loop. And don't forget to count loops you make. And that's all you need to know to make such a great handband. So continue to crocheting while you will have long enough handband. headband is ready. It's quick and easy. So please like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. Bye bye!